Hey y'all, on today I'm going to be making air fried chicken bacon ranch sandwiches, and here's my ingredients. For my meat, I'm going to be using these pre-made chicken tenders that I get from our meat store. Okay, my air fryer is preheated. I forgot to take out the pan. That's okay, let me get a heating pad. What are some of your favorite things to cook in the air fryer? Let me know down below. Alright, gonna spray my pan. I'm cheating today, y'all. I'm gonna try, these are breaded and my daughter wears braces. So I'm gonna try my best to cook them not so hard. Worst case scenario, I can pull the curtain off. I'm gonna try to get all of these in here. Shouldn't overcrowd it, but hey. I only have a few left, so I'm gonna squeeze those in there. Alright, usually I would cook this on 400. I think I'm gonna do 350 and just watch it. We'll do 12 minutes. Okay, we're at the halfway mark, so I'm gonna check them and flip them over if I need to. Let's go ahead and flip them. And make sure everything is done. We don't want no raw chicken. Okay. I think it's warm enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop it up. Oh, it's hot. Should have got a bigger knife, but it's okay. next I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer for a couple minutes to melt the cheese. Okay, this sandwich is for my daughter, and although it's called a chicken bacon ranch sandwich, she uses mayo, not ranch.